Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset Realme Neo 7. Okay, so let's begin. So there are two methods how you can reset this phone, and I'm gonna show you both of them. So the first method, which is recommended when we have access to the phone and when the phone is responsive, is through the settings. So let's open up settings. Now scroll down until you find System and Update. Click on Backup and Reset and click on Reset Phone. In here also you can reset network and Bluetooth settings and reset all settings. But we are interested in the last option, which is erase all data, reset to factory settings. Also remember that resetting your phone will cause this, that all of your data will be permanently lost from the phone. So it's good to have a backup. Also, if you don't know how to create such a backup, also on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you the whole process, so if you want you can look for it. Alright, and also performing the factory reset is recommended when you're planning to sell your phone. Alright, so all you need to do now is to click on erase all data, then click on clear, and then your screen will go black, and after a few seconds the phone will be automatically turned on back again, and you will need to set it up. Okay, and there is also the second method, which is called the factory reset using the reboot mode. And to do it, let's first up turn off our phone. So let's click the power and the volume up button, and let's drag this white ball into the power off. Okay, now the screen went black, as you can see. Okay, and now we need to hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time until the Realme logo appears. So let's perform this. I need to keep on holding. Okay, the Realme logo appeared. We can release our fingers. And now we should get access into the recovery mode. Okay, now we have something like this. And now to move around this menu we can use the volume keys. And if you want to confirm the selected option, simply click on the power button, but as well you can use your fingers. Okay, so now we want to select format data. Now we need to type this verification code using our keyboard, and also remember that this method will also cause this, that all of your data will be lost from the phone. Okay, so let's type our code and let's click on format. Now the process has started, as you can see, and now we have confirmation that data has been formatted. Click on OK. And now, just like in the first case, within a few seconds the phone will be automatically turned on again, and you will need to set it up. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.